Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Whole number.
What does the dictionary say?
Also called counting number. One of the positive integers or zero. Any of the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3.
Math rap.
There's no point before or after a whole number. No fractions, decimals, or negatives to make you wonder. Go from 0 to 1,000,000 or as far as the seas. Working with whole numbers is a breeze.
Math rap.
How do donut makers do math? They count in whole numbers. Explain whole numbers in your own words. Circle the numbers that are not whole numbers. 35, 4.23, 1/2, 99. Math people talk about whole numbers, but list the numbers from 0 to 20 in numerical form that actually have holes in them. Example 0 or 8. Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your math minutes rock!